PlasticVille in the house! Look at these vintage cars pulling in. They're almost transparent. They're so big they barely fit in a screen. I love these. This is a green one. We've got a yellow one. Look at that. And red finishes out the line. Oh, these are sweet as can be. Hey cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Woo-hoo! 3 in 1 from PlasticVille, USA. I'm digging these 3 cars coming in. These babies are vintage and old as can be. They are plastic and fragile. They're 2 of the same and 1 slightly different body style, and I don't even know what kind of car they are. But I know that we're digging them here at Johnny's Supper Club. Look at that grill work and headpiece. These babies glisten in the sunlight, and we love it when they come into the Supper Club. Everyone gathers around to see these babies. Oh, look at those wheels and tires. They are simple as can be. We got some big jack bumpers on there and a license plate holder. And let's see if we can see on the inside here. Let's see if we can get this to show. It says PlasticVille. Do you see it? USA. You're gonna have to trust me on this one. Oh, look at those simple axles and wheels on there. Those are pizza cutters if I've ever seen one. Now the red and the green one are similar. Look at that body panels on that. This is a 4-door, no glass, big, huge monster grill on that. Make a beautiful lead sled. Wow, I'm digging this baby. Oh, the people love this one. And look at that, almost a mini Continental kit on the back of this. Simple, simple beauty. Look at those pizza cutters. And a little axle on there, and here's the PlasticVille. And it says USA. Woo-hoo! This baby is rocking the house today at Johnny's. Let's look at this green one. It almost glows, it's so cool. I'm digging those grills. Look at that big, heavy chrome front end on that. Some simple headlights. Oh, look at that. Look at that hood ornament. It is sweet as can be. I know one of you guys out there knows what this car is. Why don't you call in and tell me? Put it in the comments below. Oh, look at that 4-door design. I am digging these simple plastic cars. They never lasted because someone was always smashing them, dropping a block on them, or they would break when they fell off the table. This one also has a PlasticVille on there. Oh, we are so glad that these babies pulled into Johnny's Supper Club. I hope you dig these babies as much as I do. Now let's go off to the gravel road for some racing. I'm digging it, I'm digging it, I'm digging it. I know these aren't made for this track, but they fit in. So let's race these 2 PlasticVille cars and see what happens. Oh! One goes, one doesn't. Oh, it is a slow go. Those wheels were meant for driving. Hey, let's look at this PlasticVille race. Woohoo! Almost down the ramp! What a sweet car! He's a monster car for this set! But that's okay, he's still fitting in the road! I'm digging that one! Pretty sweet! Let's switch lanes and see what happens this time! Nothing! Oh, he flips out! It worked in the preliminaries! Oh, ancient inches! Hey, let's try the red-green. They're both a little bit narrower and fit on the track better. Oh, again, a no-show! His bumper gets hooked up on the starting gate! Let's see if this one rolls. PlasticVille! Oh, he kinda does! It's a little long, but that's okay. Look who's in the Hot Wheels City, PlasticVille. Oh, he's slowing down. He really is not a roller. Oh no, he's crashing. Hey, we don't expect these guys to go far, but you never know. Let's see this race. Oh, it's a crash! Crash! But still, we are digging this. We're digging this. Crashed right into the starting gate. Right out of the starting gate, and we crashed into the Sizzler speed brake. I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be.